girl, she really had her own world. I was in grade 5, I was in love, she was in home economics. Used to call her bionic. 4 years later, job well done, tables done turned, live and learn. The girl I loved had a tear on the phone, but all I thought about was microphones.
Microphone on my mind.
Soon after that, bags got packed. She got hitched and she moved down to Italy. And now she don't remember me.
If you could walk a path that's all your own,
Why would you not